Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rushkesh Buslepshan, and today date is 9 February 2022, and today our topic name is access modifiers in Java. There are four types of access modifier. First is private, second is default, third is protected, and fourth is public. Let us discuss the one by one. First we will discuss with the private access modifier. The private access modifier are access only within a class. The private access modifier are not accessed within a package. The private access modifier are not accessed within outside the package, but inside the class. The private access modifier are not accessed outside the packages. Next is the default access modifier. The default access modifier are access within a class. The default access modifier are access within a package. The default access modifier are not access outside the package. The default access modifier are not access outside the project and outside the package. Next is protected access modifier. The protected access modifier are access within a class. The protected access modifier are access within a package. The protected access modifier are access outside the class, and the protected access modifier are access outside the package, but not access the outside package, and the protected access modifier are not access outside the project. Next is public. The public is the public access modifier are access within a class. The public access modifier are access within a package. The public access modifier are access within a class. The public access modifier are access outside the packages. The public but not access in outside the project. There are two types of modifiers. Next point is that there are two types of modifiers in Java. First is access and second is a non-access. First we will discuss with the access modifier. The access modifier in Java is specify the scope of class, constructor, method, or fields. We can change the scope of class, fields, constructor, and methods by applying the access modifier. We can for access modifier. First we will discuss the default. If you don't provide the specify any modifier, then Java provides a modifier by default, and it is called as a default access modifier. The default access modifier in Java is specified from outside the packages. It makes a functionality than the private access modifier. The scope is high than the private. It makes a attribute then depends package access modifier. Second, next is a private access specifiers in Java. The scope of the private access specifier within a class. Next is a public. Next is a protected access specifiers in Java. It is specify a protected keyword scopes for this within a package and outside the package, but through the inheritance only. Next is the public access specifiers in Java. The specify by public the scope is everywhere. It is the most flexible modifier. It does not provides any instantiation. The public variable methods constructor class. It is accessible everyone in int application. Int in application. This is a discussion of the access modifier in Java. Thank you.